Tight hamstrings can cause lower back pain. If you can hardly touch your toes or sit upright on the floor without any pain in your lower back, this simple, easy stretch might suit you. All you need for today's practice is a table at standard height. It could be a dining table or an office desk. Follow me. Get a try. Find your hip crease and place your pinky fingers there. Legs wide out, meet your hip crease at the height of the table's edge. Feet parallel. Legs straight, back straight. Lean forward just a bit. Keep your back straight. Hinge forward from your hip crease. Place your hands down to support. Look forward ahead. Now with your back and legs straight, see how far you can go. Walk your hands forward. Find the length from your hip to the crown of the head. Stop where you feel legs long and spine long. Chest opened. Let's add in some small movements here. Along the movements, keep your front hip attached to the table's edge. Inhale, arch your back, look up slightly. Exhale, push down to your hands, round your back. Inhale, arch up, look up. Exhale, round and look to your belly. Move continuously with your breath. Arch inhale and round on your exhale. Now back to neutral. Pause here and breathe. Then slowly bring yourself back to the starting position. Let's try again. Legs straight, back straight. Hinge from your hip crease. Hands down, body lifted. Keep your legs and spine long. Inhale. Exhale, walk your hands forward, reach forward. See if you can go a bit further than your first time. Instead of hanging down, keep your body lifted away from the table. And if this is your height, prepare to move again. Inhale, arch up, look up. Exhale, round and look to your belly. Keep moving. Inhale. Exhale, push, widen the back. Move gently and slowly to lubricate your joints. Then back to neutral. Now after moving, see if you can go furthermore. Extend from your hip to your shoulder to your head. If you got the flexibility, you will be able to lie your body down on the table. But if you're not here yet, it's totally fine to stay high at your level. Whatever angle or height you are in, as long as you have your spine extended long from hip to head and legs feeling tight and long from feet up to the hip, we all are feeling the same and getting the full benefit from this stretch. Before ending this clip, let's see what usually happens to tighter bodies. When super tight people try to reach forward, they tend to round their back to get extra length. Yes, you got the length, but not in your spine. To extend your spine, walk your hands back, look forward ahead. Then start to reach your arms to extend your spine long, from your hip to your armpits. Practice this way. Extend your spine bit by bit, day by day. One day, you might be able to sit upright without any support and pain. If you feel good and lighter after practicing today, add this easy stretch to your routine. Stretch often to maintain a healthy spine and healthy life. If you find this video helpful, please share to your loved friends and family. Hit like to support and subscribe for more healthy videos like this. Thank you for joining me today. Have a good day. Namaste.